Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. How are you guys doing today? Today's guitar lesson, I'll teach you how to play the praise and worship song, Come, Now is the Time to Worship. Very beautiful song and very easy to play. In the description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can print that out and follow along as we learn this song together. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it very much. So let's get started. Come, now is the time to worship. Come, now is the time to give your heart. Come, just as you are to worship. Come, just as you are before your God. Come. Okay, a very beautiful song to play. Okay, I'm playing this song in the key of D major. So the chords I'll be using are D major, D sus4, A major, E minor, D major over F sharp, or you can just leave the F off and just play the regular D major. Then G major. Okay, then you have one B minor. So this song is written in 4/4 time. There's 4 beats per measure. So I'll be playing this like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? So this song starts off with the chorus and then it goes into the verse. And it just simply goes back and forth between the chorus and that same verse. So let's look at the chord progression of the chorus. Come, now is the time to worship. Come, now is the time to give your heart. Come, just as you are to worship. Come, just as you are before your God. Come. Then it goes into the verse, okay? Okay, before we do the verse, let's play the chorus one more time. Come, now is the time to worship. A, come, now is the time to give your heart. E minor, D, G. Come, just as you are to worship. Come, just as you are before your God. Come. So now let's look at the chord progression for the verse. One day every tongue will confess you are God. One day every knee will bow. Still the greatest treasure that remains for those who gladly choose Him now. So now let's do the chorus and the verses back to back now. Okay? Come, now is the time to worship. Come, now is the time to give your heart. Come, just as you are to worship. Come, just as you are before your God. Come. every tongue will confess you are God. One day every knee will bow. Still the greatest treasure that remains for those who gladly choose you now. Come, now is the time to worship. Come, now is the time to give your heart. Come, just as you are to worship. Come, just as you are before your God. Come, come. Okay, very beautiful and easy song to learn how to play. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and like to see more like this, be sure to give me the thumbs up. I'd appreciate it very much. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Hope you have a great day today. God bless you.